Welcome to Academy of Retail Excellence YouTube channel. Embark on a successful retail career with our comprehensive online retail management and visual merchandising course, ensuring 100% placement with exclusive benefits. Holistic curriculum. Dive into strategic retail management and visual merchandising techniques. Hands-on experience. Gain practical insights through real-world projects and case studies. Industry-driven faculty. Learn from experienced professionals to stay ahead in the competitive retail sector. Guaranteed placement. Secure your future with our 100% placement assistance program. Exclusive benefits. Access networking opportunities, mentorship programs, and ongoing career support. Flexible learning. Study at your own pace with our online platform, balancing work and education seamlessly. So, what are you waiting for? Join Academy of Retail Excellence and transform your passion into a rewarding retail career.